Hello everyone, welcome to Google Form Tutorials. In this video we are going to see that how can you add a section in your form based upon the response of the user. So this is actually possible only with the case if you have a multiple choice question into your Google form, and then on the basis of the option that the user has selected, you can prompt them to go to a particular section or show them relevant options. Okay, so suppose this is the shipping details form, and in this case I have a mode of payment question in which I'm having two options. One is a prepaid option and the other is a cash on delivery option. If the user selects prepaid as the mode of payment, I want them to get my payment details, maybe my QR code or my bank details or something like that, so that they can use those details to pay me the money. But if they are using the second option, that is the cash on delivery option, then I want them to get an OTP onto their mobile phones, enter that particular OTP just for the confirmation that the mobile number that they have entered is actually a correct mobile number. So this is what I want to do. If they have selected option 1, prepaid, I want them to show an image. If they have selected cash on delivery, I want them to enter some text. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, for the customers who have selected prepaid, I'm not going to show them this OTP thing, and for the customers who have selected cash on delivery, I don't want them to show my QR code or the bank details, right? So how I'm gonna proceed with this kind of a thing? Luckily Google Forms has the perfect answer for that kind of a scenario. All you need to do is just click on these three dots. Here you will get go to section based answer. Let's just click on that. So here it gives you an arrowhead, continue to next section. Then what will happen is it would ask you to create sections. If there are already created sections, then it would allow you to just choose those created sections, or maybe if you want, you can just directly submit the form. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to section 1 for this one option, that is cash on delivery, and for the other one just continue to the next section. So maybe for the first option, let's just click on submit form. So as soon they have selected prepaid, I'm just click on submit form. I just want them to submit the form, and if they have selected cash on delivery, I just want them to go back to section 1, which is a shipping details form. So after they have selected this, then this is what they will be prompted about. Okay, now let's just check the preview that how these things are working. So let's just click on this I thing and we will be getting this preview. Let's just click on OK. Let's just enter a mobile number, a pretty random one, full name, something random. Cash on mode of payment, let's just select on prepaid, or maybe let's just select on cash on delivery and click on submit. So yeah, that's how it's working perfectly fine. This is just a preview. Actually this is not taking any of the information from us. Now in case you want your users to go to a particular section, you can add that section. So how do we add this section? Here we have two bars that gives us the option to add the section. Let's just click on that. So here what happens is we get continue to section. Which section you want to continue to? So this is the second section with which I want to continue to. First of all, let's just rename this section from untitled section to, let's say, prepaid details. This is going to be the name of the section. Okay, and in this section what I'm going to do is I'm going to just add an image that is going to be the QR code for my prepaid. Okay, so I don't have a QR code right now. I can add some random image just to give you guys a gist that how these things are gonna work. Okay, so just this one, and that's it. Now when I'm in the prepaid, if I just select this, instead of the submit form, I can just select go to section 2, which is prepaid details. In the case of cash on delivery, I want another section to be there, so let's just add another section, and that is going to be the OTP section. So I can just add COD OTP section. This is going to be the name of the section, and in this I'm just going to enter a question that's going to be a short answer type of a question, and the question I'm going to do is say enter OTP. That's it. So this is the second question. This is going to be required, and in this prepaid detail section, actually I can just edit it a little bit, and I can just say scan this image, and in the options maybe I can say done. That's the only option they have, and that is required. Okay, so these are the changes that I have made. This is section 3, this is section 2, the OTP section. In the case of cash of delivery, if they have selected this option, I want them to go to the second section, and in the case of prepaid, I want them to go to the third section. Let's just click on this eye icon to preview this form now. So now you can see in the starting I'm getting only 3 options: mobile number, full name, and mode of payment. Let's just enter a random entry for the mobile number, a random entry for the full name, and if I just click on prepaid, then you will be getting this next button. Instead of the submit, we are getting the next button. Okay, let's just clear the form for once. So if you just click on this clear form button, all the entries basically will be wiped off. Let's just enter the details again. If I just click on cash on delivery, again there is a next. If I just click on this next, I am prompted to enter the OTP. Let's just enter something as an OTP, click on next. Then what happens is, then I will be going to the third section, which is not relevant for me, of course. But what happens if I just select prepaid over here and click on next, then directly I'm jumping onto this prepaid section, and I can simply just click on submit for this one. So that's how you can create different sections into your form. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.